Hello everyone, it's Lindsay and I am back with another faith planner process video for you guys. This is a super simple spread this week. I'm using these cling foam stamps from Holtz. These are the new floral ones that came out this year, and I have used some of the alphabet ones in the past and I love them. So I am going to go ahead and pull my pages out. I just do that by making a little cut into the holes there, and then I can pull the pages out. That way they're easier to work on. And I did go ahead and pull out several different colors and different brands of acrylic paints. And that is one thing I really like about these cling foam stamps is they are really great for mixed media techniques. They really work well with acrylic paints, Neocolor 2 crayons, anything like that. Of course, you can use them with regular inks. However, I just find them really well suited for some of these fun mixed media techniques, and you get really good solid impressions. So they are cling mounted, or cling foam, so you do need to use them with a clear acrylic block just like any other stamp, and they have kind of a tacky stickiness to the back side of them. And I'm just using a flat-ended paintbrush to apply a very thin layer of paint to this stamp. It's a little bit hard to tell how much to get on there because it's black and it kind of absorbs a little bit of the paint, but you don't want to get too much on there, so actually less than what you think seems to work. You just need to get your hands on them and play with them. They are very different from working with clear stamps. And so I'm just going through and stamping these. You can see what a great impression you get with these. Now to clean them off, I just use a baby wipe. You could go ahead and just take them over to your sink and rinse them out with some water and soap if they get too covered in paint, but I seem to find just a baby wipe works okay as long as I don't get too heavy-handed with the paint. Now, one thing I did find about this set, now I don't know if it's my set in particular is maybe faulty or maybe it's just the set, but I found that a lot of the smaller pieces, because this is a layering stamp set, there are pieces for the center of the flowers and the center of the leaves that are smaller and don't have a lot of area on the back for the stickiness. They would not stick to my block, and so I will have to go in and either add adhesive or something like that to get them to work. I was a little bit disappointed about that, but it's not a big deal. I'll just use my Tombow Mono multi-liquid glue that dries sticky and apply a thin layer to the back side of that and see if that helps them kind of stick to the block. You can see this piece. This is one of the pieces for the center of the leaves, and when I go to paint on it, it's just kind of flopping all over the place. So I went ahead and just picked it up with my fingers, which actually worked okay because I'm trying to stamp so that I don't overlap the flowers anyways, so that worked out just fine. But you could use these stamps with your hands also. They're, like I said, great for mixed media techniques. One nice thing about stamping with acrylic paints is it is more opaque than traditional ink, and so I can go in with this like centerpiece. You can see I'm trying to use double-sided adhesive, trying to get it to stick, and it's just fighting me. But I can go in and stamp yellow over red, and you can still see the yellow paint. Now you do want to make sure that your paintbrush is good and dry in between colors. If the acrylic paint's too watered down, then you don't get a really vibrant or opaque impression. So, but yeah, just keeping it simple. I sped it up really quick because all I'm doing is changing colors and stamping things, nothing crazy. And I'm not worried about masking things off. I did go ahead and just overlap things, and I picked colors that matched the colors that were in the pattern at the top. That way I didn't have to worry about covering those little ice cream patterns at the top up there. I know it doesn't really go with the flowers, but at least the colors are all the same. To finish it off, I'm going to go ahead and add some splatters using some salmon and patina Heidi Swap color shines, and just kind of tapping those to fill in the blank areas. And again, I did leave myself plenty of room to write out my daily scripture writing, since that's what I do with this planner. So just finishing it up here with that patina color. I love how fun and bright and vibrant and spring this page looks, and I will be definitely using these stamps in my Bible for sure. So once that's dry, I can go ahead and just pop it back into my planner. I've had questions before. Nope, I don't have any problem with these pages accidentally falling out. They seem to be pretty secure. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down in the comments down below. Head on over to my blog for more close-up photos and links to all of the products used today. And give this video a thumbs up if it was inspiring, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.